I'm just smoke the trippy stick on this one.
So right now is one of the best times to buy sneakers, clothing, boots. A lot of brands are trying to clear their shelves to make way for spring stuff. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys a bunch of great footwear and apparel you can buy right now for the low. You may have seen a few things in this video before, and then some of the other stuff I have is new. Everything that's in this video is going to be linked down below. For the most part, if it's sold out, there'll be something similar to it. Starting things off is a pair of Tims, and every year I buy a couple pairs of Tims right around this time because they're like half off. The price you can get these Tims at right now is amazing. So these are the Horween leather 6-inch construction boots. I've worn them in the winter lookbook that I just dropped. If you missed that video, go check it out. It's the best lookbook I've ever done, in my opinion. I'll put a card right here. You can go check that out. They're entirely Horween leather, so they're a step up from the normal leather that you see on Timberland boots. I believe the retail price on these is $220, and you can get them right now for $110. $110 for these is such a steal. Do not sleep. They will move fast. So I'll link these down below. I don't want to go too in depth about them because I've already shown these to you guys, but this is an amazing boot. I love the color. It's going to age nicely. If you've never had a pair of 6-inch Timberland boots, they run a little bit big, so you'd probably want to go a half size down. If you go true to size, you might have to double up on socks or something, but these are great for right now because you can buy them for cheap. You can wear them for a couple months, stash them for the summer, and then break them out in the fall. Let's keep it moving. I'm gonna try to be pretty quick with everything because I have a lot to show you. Next up, we got a pair of Nikes, and I also showed these to you guys in a lookbook. I originally bought them for a Fresh Kicks for cheap video. I never ended up making that video. I just rocked them, but I put them in a lookbook. So what we've got is the Nike Air Max 2 Uptempo 94. Now my lights are gonna have these all flooded out, so I'll put some B-roll in so you can see what these look like a little bit better. But this sneaker is amazing. I'm really digging this model. I got an olive pair on sale as well. This is definitely a sleeper, and it's got that 90s vibe to it where it's a little bit bulky, but it's not crazy bulky. It's not as big as like the more Uptempo. So I really like this shoe. I want to get more colors. Retail price I think is $140. You can get these right now for $70. So I will link these down below. A bunch of good sizes left, but they just got marked down recently though, so I don't know how quickly they're gonna move or not. What? Moving on, we're gonna get into some clothing, and both of the jackets I'm about to show you are absolute steals, stuff you can get for the low that I would highly recommend. So this is from Topman, and it is a quilted button-up jacket. It's lightweight, so it's a good transitional jacket into spring. You can buy this right now for $32. I jumped on it like that. There's not a whole lot to it, you know, it's mostly just this quilted pattern, which is all you need with this type of jacket. The color combination though is perfect. It's all olive green, and then on the inside you've got orange. So if you like that old school type of feel where the inner lining is orange, it's got that. There's also 2 front pockets for you to store whatever in. Every time I wear a quilted jacket, someone asks me where I got it at. So here's the gem. $32 for you right now. There's not a whole lot of sizes left, so jump on it. I'll link it down below. So here's the deal. I'm gonna link a huge sale to Topman items down below. Everything is like 50% off, and they definitely have sales often, but it's usually like 25 to 30% off. A lot of this stuff is 50% off. Next up, we got a banger that is also from Topman. We got this buffalo plaid Sherpa zip-up jacket, and just like the last jacket, you can grab this joint for $32 as well. I think it's 32. It might be 36. Sorry if it's a little bit more than 32, but I know it's in the 30s, and this thing is awesome. I love the plaid design, how it's bigger than normal. This is definitely a wintertime jacket, but just like the boots, you stash it for the summer, you break it out in the fall. There's plenty of time to get a lot of wear out of this thing, and I would recommend it for sure, because Topman stuff tends to have a lot better quality than other fast fashion brands. Go true to size. If you grab this, if you're in between, you can size up. Don't size down, because it's not that long, but it has like that boxy, oversized fit. So if you're looking for something like this, you won't be let down. Layer it with a hoodie and you'll be good to go. Next up, I'm only showing you these Nike Air Force Ones for 15 seconds because I've shown them plenty of times, but I'm just letting you know you can grab these for 75 bucks right now if you're looking. So if this is an Air Force One colorway that you've been on the fence about, not sure if you wanted to grab them, they're 75 bucks. They're linked down below. And I'm thinking about doing a new series. It's all based on the Air Force One. I'm gonna call it Air Force Mondays. And basically what it will be is every other Monday, I'm gonna show a new Air Force One or an older Air Force One on this channel. But either way, it's gonna be a new pickup. I'm interested to know if you guys like the Air Force One that much, or if it would be overkill, or maybe I'll just do it once a month. But I want to highlight Air Force Ones more on this channel. It could be something from like 2004, something that's on finish line right now. Either way, let me know down in the comment section if you'd like to see Air Force Ones featured on this channel in a series. All right, and then last up, I have an unboxing from Everlane. You guys should know about Everlane by now. I feature them on this channel and give them a lot of free promo. So they recently launched a new hoodie that I wanted to check out in a new color, so I grabbed it. I'm gonna unbox it for you guys right now. So this is their mid-weight hoodie that I've been really excited to check out, because you know Everlane mostly does black, white, navy, and gray, traditional colors. So when they do something that is outside of that, I really try to grab it. So they dropped this hoodie in a pinkish color, and wow, this is really nice material. This is gonna be one of the nicest quality sweatshirts you can buy at somewhat of an affordable price. They're $60, so a little bit more than like a fast fashion sweatshirt, but they are direct to consumer, so that's how they can offer this stuff at somewhat of a cheaper price. This is a lot softer than a lot of their other hoodies, and I'm happy with this for sure. I might go ahead and grab some other colors, but this was the one that stuck out to me the most. They are very traditional fitting, and for me, it almost fits like cropped. So there's not a generous length on this sweatshirt. I really like how they did the kangaroo pocket on this one. It's somewhat hidden. The pockets, you can't really see them, and it's not as exaggerated as other kangaroo pockets are. But that's gonna be a wrap on this one. Definitely hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new, and again, everything is linked down below. If you have any sizing questions, feel free to ask. Go check out some of my other videos, like that winter lookbook that I just dropped. A lot of videos on the way. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.